One of the DIY projects that I've taken on that I use regularly would be like a push-up parallel. So just taking PVC pipe and you know, using some corner pieces and some end caps. You've got a three-way piece right there. I'll include a link to another article that somebody else wrote that I followed that was really useful. The reason I think that that could be a good project is a lot of people have that material just laying around. If you don't have that material laying around and easy to access, or the majority of it, I would say just buy pre-made ones. By the time you put in the time, money, and effort to build and make those, just buy one that's made already. But it's a good project and it's something you can kind of like have a little pride in. But again, not recommending it unless you have the equipment laying around. Check out the link if you decide to take that one on. Another DIY project I think that's very much worth it. Actually, the return on investment here is pretty awesome, I think. Find yourself an old tire. Doesn't have to be brand new, doesn't have to have great tread on the outside. That's not really gonna matter. It's actually the sidewalls that matter a little bit more. Fill it up with some kind of wiring or wood platform that you can add weight to. You invest in some rings that have a cable attachment. Just got those rings, like pull up or dip rings that have like a cable or rope attachment. That's gonna go to an eye bolt. It's gonna cost you just a couple of bucks. You get that from Ace Hardware. And then some kind of pull-up belt. So you have the rings in case you wanna do like rows with the sled. A pull-up belt will just go around those and you can do all of your drags. Try it out, check out the link on the materials and how to build them and where to get them from. So my biggest and best project that I've ever done for DIY, fitness related, is I built a monkey bars for my kids, but also for me. So 7 feet tall, just several trips over to Home Depot to get all the wood and all the bolts and things. I'll put a link in so you can see the materials I used and sort of my step-by-steps. Once I had it hung up, I draped things from it to use some different straps. So yeah, there's monkey bars on here, so it's actually durable enough for me to use. There's a gap in the monkey bars down here, so I can do my pull-ups there. I can do them at the end. There's straps for the kids to dangle and swing from. Just so happens to work for inverted rows. Some bands. If you want to do some tricep pushdowns, you could. Honestly, it works a little bit better for the kids. They'll hang on to them and do some assisted jumping. But yeah, just a big project that I think if you can spare the space for it, adds a lot, and it's something we plan on all the time.